welcome back to the iTunes family. And as some of you may know, last week I bought an iPhone 7 Plus that was supposed to be running iOS 11, but the seller updated to iOS 15. So I made sure the seller wouldn't update it, but I got another iPhone 7 running iOS 11. And right here, I also found an iPhone 7 running iOS 10 from the same seller. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this package, since this is going to be a very fun package indeed. And because I bought it from Frank Donata's Twitter, it says enjoy Frank Donata from Twitter, so I will enjoy it. These are both rose gold, so you package it very well. Alright, so now let's see which iPhone 7 is which, since I already have a 7 running iOS 13, but these two are obviously more special phones, since, believe it or not, this is my first time using iOS 11 since it was the latest iOS version, so it's been 6 years. And this is, well, I've used iOS 10 before, as I have a 5S running iOS 10. Alright, which is which? Okay, so this one's on a setup screen, but I'll go ahead and power it down so that way I can see what it is. Okay, I can't tell from here. Alright, so I'm going to go set these both up off camera, and then I'll get back to you about which phone is which. Alright, so this is our results, and I keep dropping this phone. But this right here is my iPhone 7 that is running iOS 11, which, as you can tell, it's a 256 gigabyte model running 11.2.1, which is really awesome. The only damage which I might have accidentally done is this little dent on the corner, but otherwise it's basically non-existent. And this right here is my iOS 10 iPhone 7, which again is also in pretty good condition and is rose gold, which is really nice. And if we go into the about page of this phone, as you can tell, it runs iOS 10.3.3 and is 32 gigabytes. So that has been a look at my very successful eBay haul, and I highly recommend buying from this eBay seller, so I might link his eBay down below. But as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and as always, peace out.